Okay, on page 31 class, you can see the title of our lesson is Creating Addition and Subtraction Word Problems. Okay, so creating means making a story. Okay, creating, making a story, making a problem, addition and subtraction word problem. To understand this, okay, I'll explain to you the steps. So, are you ready? Okay, I think all of you are ready. Okay, you can read your textbook or you can look at the screen while teacher is talking. Okay? Okay, let me see whose videos again are broken. Those who are not showing up, I think their videos are broken. So you tell your father and mother to buy a new video for you so I can see you. Okay, let's start. So the first step is creating a story based on the addition equation. So look at the equation above. The equation above is 25,125. Ria, don't write anything on the slide. Okay, this one. This is the equation. This is the equation, okay? 25,125 plus 12,460 equals or is equal to 37,585. So step one, creating a story based on the addition equation. You need to understand the equation. Number two, you need to write the name of a thing to tell the amount the number represents. So in our example, there are 125,125 things and another 12,460 things. So you can think of anything. So in our example, eggs, for example. So aside from eggs, what are the things that you see around you? Maybe instead of using eggs, maybe flowers, 25,125 flowers. So you can change the things. Or maybe marbles. Or maybe pencils. Or glasses, spoons, toys, plants, fruits like apples, vegetables like cucumbers. So you can create or you can make your own word. So that's how to create a story and writing the name of a thing that you like to tell the amount the number represents. Okay? Okay, next. The next step is asking an addition question. So, for example, how many eggs were sold altogether? Okay, so look, the thing here is egg or eggs. So if your thing that you represent is flower, your question should be how many flowers were in the garden, something like that. So for example, eggs, how many eggs were sold altogether? If your thing example is toys, how many toys were bought by my friend? Something like that. If you're talking about money, how much money does my mother have saved in the bank? So it depends on the things that you are using. Okay. Moving on. So this is the perfect or the finished answer. Look, the answer, Michi sold 25,125 eggs. So this is the first sentence. The first sentence describing the first number. Right? Right curve. And then the second number, your story is about 12,460 eggs. You say, Suki sold 12,460 eggs. So that is step one. Step one, creating a story. And then step two is the last part of your answer should be a question. Should be a question. How many eggs were sold altogether? Do you understand, Proton? Show me your thumbs up. Proton, do you understand? Okay. So that is our first example, how to create a word problem based on the addition equation. Now let's try another example. Okay, this example, the second example is 52,789 minus 12,420, okay, brackets, plus 34,251 equals 774,620. So look, the things, the name of the things that is used here, okay, look at the word things, is apple pies. Okay, so there are 52,789 apple pies. Minus, you have to take away, you have to take away. Take away means minus, right? 12,420 apple pies. How about the word plus? The word plus is another. The word is another. Add another 34,251 things. So again, the things here are apple pies. So to make the story short, okay, turning on page 32 of your textbook. Okay, look at your textbook on page 32 now. On page 32, look. Or look at the screen. Look at the screen. Okay, number one, understand the equation, right? You learn how to understand the equation. Two, write the name of a thing that you want. Okay, you have to choose what kind of thing you want. Okay. Then step two is final answer is asking a question. So again, understanding the equation. Second, write the name of the thing. So our answer, look at our answer. A bakery produces 52,789 apple pies. So this is the thing. This is the thing. The bakery delivers 12,420 apple pies to a shop. So it's minus, take away or minus. So the word is delivers, delivery. Another sentence, the bakery produces, produces. So the plus operation represented by the word produces. What is the word produces mean? Produces or to make another 34,251 apple pies. And the final step or step 2 is asking a question. How many apple pies does the bakery have now? So if you have this answer, I will give you 5 points. Do you understand? I hope you understood. Okay, now let's try the practice exercises found on page 32. Still on page 32. Okay, look. Okay, on page 32. Create a word problem for each of the following. So number 1, 12,458 plus 69,432 is equal to 81,890. Curve, step 1, you have to think of things describing 12,458.
There are 12,458 cakes.
Wait. So I like your example. So let me write, okay? Let me write curve example. Very nice. So the paragraph starts with, so your answer should be like this. Okay. So this is his answer. There are 12,458 cakes. Second sentence.
The bakery make
makes
69,432 cakes.
432 cakes. Okay, and then the last part is making a question. Making a question.
How many cakes
does
my bakery have now?
does my bakery have now? Okay. So I think you change this my bakery to my. Okay? Because you said my bakery. So there are 12,458 cakes. My bakery makes another. Maybe you can write makes another, right? 69,432 cakes. How many cakes does my bakery have now? So if this is your answer, okay, I'm going to give you 5 points. Understand? Do you understand? Let me see some of the students. Show me your thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up if you understood. Very good. Okay. Now let's try number 2. Thank you, Curve, for that very nice example. Okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2. Equation. Okay, the second equation is 83,145 minus 52,121 is equal to 31,024. Who wants to make a story? So 4 participants raise hand. Who are they? Okay, nice. Nice. Okay.
$83,000.
Okay.
There are 83,145 cucumber.
Cucumber. There are 83,145 cucumbers. Okay, and then?
And then
What
there
is?
are
Okay, let me write the word answer here. Okay, and then continue.
there are
So minus. You want there are again, there are what? 52,121
cake.
again?
Cake.
Cake. Look, this is minus. It's not addition. So what do you think? Minus. What happened to the cucumbers? I gave. So maybe you can say, I gave, right? I gave, or my mother, right? My mother, or the gardener, or the seller, right? Maybe you can use the seller. Seller, what does it mean, seller? Okay, I'm going to unmute you all. Wait a minute. And allow participants to unmute all, okay. The seller, who wants to help?
Me. The seller sell.
Okay.
The seller sell.
The seller sells.
Sell. 52,000
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
Very good. And then next question.
Cucumbers. It's tengwa. Cucumber is tengwa.
Okay, and then
Cucumber the seller have now.
Cheb said, again, let's listen to Sheb because you're noisy. Only Sheb, please. Okay, Sheb, what's going to be the question?
How many cucumbers does the seller have now?
How many cucumbers does the seller have left? Now.